Welcome to today's video, 10 things you did not realize about how to earn money remotely. The remote work revolution has changed the way we earn money. With the right skills and mindset, you can tap into an ocean of opportunities. The first thing to know is the importance of skills. They are the tools that help you unlock various remote job prospects. Secondly, communication is key in remote work. The ability to articulate your thoughts and ideas is crucial. Thirdly, discipline and time management are essential traits for remote workers. Without a proper schedule, deadlines can easily be missed. The fourth point is about exploring freelancing platforms. These platforms can be goldmines for remote work opportunities. Next, we have the importance of a dedicated workspace. Having a space that encourages productivity can greatly improve work quality. Moving to number 6, it's about networking. Virtual networking can open doors to remote work opportunities. 7th, remote work isn't limited to IT jobs. From teaching to consulting, there are multiple sectors offering remote work. 8th, you can potentially earn more with remote work. Geographic limitations are no longer a boundary for salaries. The 9th point is about setting up a personal brand. This can help differentiate you from the competition. Lastly, remember to prioritize your mental health. Remote work can be isolating, so take care of your emotional well-being. Now you know 10 things about earning money remotely. Let's delve deeper into each. Skills are like currencies. They determine your worth in the remote work market. Invest in improving and updating them. Communication in remote work is not just about speaking English. It's about expressing ideas clearly and effectively to your team. Discipline and time management go hand in hand. They ensure you meet deadlines and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr host millions of gigs. Spend time exploring and understanding these platforms. Your workspace impacts your productivity. Make sure it's free from distractions and fosters concentration. Networking isn't about reaching out randomly. It's about building meaningful relationships that can lead to job opportunities. Remote work offers diversity. Don't limit yourself thinking it's only for techies. Earning more is possible with remote work. It allows you to work with clients from high-income countries. Establishing a personal brand sets you apart. Showcase your skills and strengths through a website or social media. Taking care of your mental health is crucial. Make time for breaks and social interactions. In conclusion, remote work presents a myriad of opportunities. It requires specific skills, discipline, and strategic networking. Remember, success in remote work doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, perseverance, and a continuous learning mindset. So, are you ready to take the plunge and start your remote work journey? Start now. Shape your skills, create your workspace, and network smartly. Make the most of freelancing platforms. Their potential is vast and still largely untapped. Don't forget to look beyond tech jobs. The world of remote work is varied and ripe with opportunities. Optimize your earnings. Don't be bounded by your geographic location. Build a strong personal brand. It's your passport to standing out in the remote work world. Take care of your mental health. It's as important as your professional achievements. Earning money remotely is not just about skills, it's about strategy, persistence, and resilience. Thank you for watching. Begin your journey towards remote work today and create your success story. Remember, the world is your office when you work remotely. Dream big, work smart, and achieve more.